Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2010 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive, stock number Z6610B. 89,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, silver ice metallic in color. The Traverse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. This Traverse seats 8, leather interior, rear DVD player, along with rear audio and climate control. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. And power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Bose sound system, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in a perfect driving position. Large cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Radio and CD player, as well as DVD player. Satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the sliding armrest, with even more space below. Large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, and that's where the backup camera displays, along with home link transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 40% of tire tread left. For more, please go to Sheboygan.Auto.com or text SCZ6610B to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.